Nowadays everyone is getting obsessed with Korean skincare. Have you ever wondered why Koreans have such glass-like skin? Do you also want clear glass skin like this, and this? You can get glass skin at home with this easy-to-follow guide. First step in Korean skincare is double cleansing. Start with an oil-based cleanser and follow it up with a water-based cleanser. Second step is exfoliation. Regular exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells. Consider using a gentle chemical exfoliant. After exfoliation, apply a toner with the help of a cotton pad to help balance the pH of your skin. Afterwards, apply an essence, which is a hydrating liquid that helps replenish moisture and improve skin texture. Apply a serum and gently pat it into your skin. Serums helps in reducing acne and hyperpigmentation. Next, apply a sheet mask. It will provide hydration and nourishment to your skin. Take a pea-sized amount of eye cream onto your finger and gently dab it around your eye area. Next, apply a moisturizer that suits your skin and provides adequate hydration without feeling heavy. Don't forget to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 daily. Last but not the least, massage your face with the help of a jade roller. It will help improve blood circulation. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.